The pistol should be tested immediately after assembly to ensure that it works properly. With the magazine in place, cock the hammer and apply the safety catch. Press and release the trigger. Release the safety catch. If the hammer rotates forward when the safety catch is released, the safety catch or sear is defective. Operate the trigger. Draw the hammer back until the sear engages the half bent. The hammer is now at half cock. Squeeze the trigger. If the hammer is released, the sear and hammer are defective. Draw the hammer back almost to the full cock position and release it. It should fall only to the half cock. If it falls fully forward, the weapon is unsafe for firing. Remove the magazine and rotate the hammer to the full cock position. Press and release the trigger. If the hammer rotates forward, the trigger group tripping lever or the sear connecting arm is defective.